Very good afternoon, students. This is your Ravi Kumar sir, Assistant Professor of English, Government Degree College, Nirmal. Yes, let's continue our yesterday's topic. Of course, we have been discussing importance of phonetics in English orthography. Under this, yesterday we started our discussion on the diphthongs or the vowel glides of English. Now today we are going to continue that. So diphthongs part 2. In this video I am going to explain you two more clusters of diphthongs. See this? As you know already, the 8 diphthongs are divided into 3 clusters based on the gliding movement. Okay? The 3 clusters are, the first cluster is gliding towards E, second one gliding towards U, third one gliding towards A. In the previous video, we have had a discussion on the first cluster diphthongs, that is gliding towards E, a front unrounded vowel, E. There are 3 diphthongs in this first cluster which glide towards E. They are, yesterday we have had a discussion on these 3. I am recapitulating. Okay, getting me? Yeah. The 3 were, number 1, A, number 2, I, number 2, Oi. These were the 3 first cluster diphthongs which glide towards E we discussed yesterday. Now today, let's move on to the next 2 clusters. The second cluster, that is gliding towards U. Here we have 2 diphthongs. They are how, how. And last cluster, cluster 3, in which there are 3 diphthongs gliding towards A. They are Ea, Ua, Ea. Yeah. I think you have drawn this chart, I think yesterday. Have you? If anybody missed, please do it now. Please draw this. Okay. Yes, finished. Now, let's move on. The second cluster diphthongs. Yes, number 1, that is gliding towards U. ow, ow. Yes, if you see the diagram here, where is it? Ow. Yeah. Oh, here it is. Yeah, the maroon arrow. The maroon arrow. Here the gliding is from a to oo. Ow. That is from open to close. Yeah. You can describe this. First describe the sound a and then write gliding towards. Next describe oo. Okay, note down the description. Did it? Oh, now let's see the examples in which this diphthong occurs. This diphthong ow happens initially, medially, and finally. Initially, it occurs in the word out. Generally, we pronounce this one as out, ow, ow. It's not ow, it is a diphthong. It is out, out, get out. Yeah. Say after me, O-U-T, out. Don't say out. Please try to find the difference between out and out. Out. Say after me, out. Once again, out. Yeah. Now you can proceed some more words like this. Write of your own. Yeah. This sound also happens medially in the words such as, you see, B-O-U-T. It's not bout, it is bout, bout, B-O, B-O-T, bout. Say after me, B-O-U-T, bout. It's not bout, bout. Once again, bout. Yeah. Yes, write some more examples of your own. Now, this diphthong also happens finally in the words such as C-O-W. People used to say this one as cow. It is cow. 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 Say after me, C-O-W. Cow. Once again, cow. Okay. So please note down some more words. Some more words. Word final. Okay. Now let's see the spelling. With what letters we represent this diphthong ow? This diphthong ow is represented with OU, with spelling OU in the words such as OUT, out, DOUBT, doubt, MOUTH, mouth, ROUND, round, like this. Now this also represented with OW in the words such as COW, cow, HOW, how. We used to say how are you? We say how are you? How. NOW, now. ALLOW, allow, allow me, like this. Okay, note down the examples. Yes, you can write some more words, like this. Please note down. Yes, let's move on to the next diphthong in second cluster. Okay, which is gliding towards u. Okay, that is ow. That is ow. This is pink one. Yeah, small pink arrow. Okay, so the gliding is from a centralized wall to a back wall, u. That is ow. Previously we discussed this maroon diphthong, that is ow. This is also like that, but here the ow is very short. Ow. Okay, the central wall, a glide is from central wall to the back wall. Okay, describe this ow. Yes, describe. First describe a, that is a schwa sound. We call this one as schwa, you know already. And then describe u, and write that it's a glide. Yes. Now let's see the examples. How this happens initially, medially, and finally. Initially, it happens in the words such as over. People used to say this one as over. O is not there in English. Ow is also not there in English. Okay, but what is this over? It is our. Our. We say over. No, our. Say after me. Over. Our. Yeah. This happens medially in the words such as BOAT. BOAT. People used to say this one as boat. O. No, this is bout. 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 Say after me. BOAT. Bout. The old man sailing about, like this one. Now this also happens finally in the words such as go. We say go. No, this is not go. It is go. Go away from here, like that. Go. Say after me. Go. Don't say go. Okay. Yeah, no doubt. Yeah, write some more words for word initial, medial, and final. Okay, I'll give you 15 minutes. Sorry, 15 seconds time. Yes. Now let's see the spelling of this sound. Ow. This happens initially, medially, finally. It is an IMF sound. Yeah, this is represented with many type of spellings. It is represented with the letter O. It is represented with the letter OA, with OE, with OU, with OW. Now, This is represented with the letter O in the words such as OLD, old, OPEN, 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 open. Don't say open. You see the difference between open and open. GO, go, NO, no, like that. Now, it's represented with OA, such as BOAT, boat, GOAL, goal, ROAD, road. Now, this is also represented with OE in the words such as TOE, toe, FOE, fall. This is also represented with OU, the letters OU. For example, SOUL, soul, soul. People used to say this one as soul, Atma. MOULD, mold, mold, old, mold. Okay, it's also represented with OW, OWN, own, not own, own. SLOW, slow, BLOW, blow, BOWL, bowl, bowl. Okay, please note down. Note down. Yes. Now by this we completed the second cluster diphthongs which are gliding towards U. Okay, how and how. Now let's move on the last and the third cluster diphthongs, okay, which glide towards A. They are three in number, you know already. Okay, see the first one. This is green arrow, ER, ER, green arrow, ER, and a blue arrow, ER, and the saffron arrow, UA. Okay. Now first let's discuss each one in detail. First one, take this green arrow, ER, ER. Okay, the glide is from front wall to central wall. Please describe ER. Okay, glide from what is E? Front, unrounded, close wall to centralized front, half close, unrounded wall. Okay, note down. You can write the description because you know the description of E and the description of A. If you combine those two, then it will become the description of ER. Okay, let's see its examples. Yeah, ear. First one. This happens initially, medially, and finally. Initially, it happens in the words such as EAR. It is ear. People used to say this one as ear. No. Ear. Medially, it happens in the words such as FIERC. Fios. Fear. Fios. Fios. It's not fierce. The R, the letter R is silent. Now it also happens in final position, word final position, in the words such as FEAR, 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 for ear. The end R is not pronounced, you know already. Fear. Yes. Please give some more examples for word initial, medial, and final of your own. I'll give 15 seconds. Okay. Now, let's see its spelling. Yeah, see the sixth one, ear. Yes, it's an IMF sound. Now this is also represented with nearly 6 or 7 type of spellings. Now this ear is represented with with E, with the letter E, and EA, EAR, EER, ERE, EO, EU, IA, IOU. Okay, now let's see the examples. Okay, spelling is very important. Now this is represented with the letter E in the words such as ZERO, 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 SERIOUS, seer, serious, PERIOD, period, period. Here in this word, the letter E and the letters IO both are giving ear sound. Okay, period. Now, this sound is also represented with the letter EA. For example, in the words IDEA, 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 or real, real. It's not a real. Ya is not there. Consonant is not there. There is no consonant in this word. REAL. Okay, only first is consonant. R. Okay, and the remaining vowels. R, ear, L. End one consonant. Real. Real. THEATRE. Theater. Now, with EAR, in the words such as DEAR, dear, CLEAR, clear, FEAR, fear, with the letters EER, DEER, that is DEER, deer we say. It's not D, it's not long vowel E, this is ER, it is deer. I saw a deer, oh my dear. Yes sir. DEAR is also ear, DER is also ear. Yeah. Oh my dear, I saw a deer. Like that. CHEER, it is not cheer. Two mistakes we do as far as this pronunciation of CHEE are concerned. One is we pronounce this double E as E and we pronounce the end R. No, the end R should not be pronounced and the double E is not E, the double E is ER. So that's why it is cheer. That's all. Say after me. CHEER. Cheer. Now ERE. The words HERE, here, MERE, mere, SEVERE, severe. Now, it's also represented with EO. For example, THEORY, theory. People used to say this one theory. Some used to say this one a theory. Not theory, not theory. It is theory. The theory of Mendel. Like that. Now, EU. In the words such as MUSEUM, museum, museum. Okay, IA, INDIA, India. It's not India, it is India. Now, IOU. In the words such as CERIOUS, that is serious. Here in this word, the letter E is giving ear and IO is also giving ear sound. So that in the medial position, there are two diphthongs in this one. Serious, serious. Okay. The R which is in the middle, it should be pronounced because after R there is a vowel sound. Okay. Very good. You can add some more examples on this line. Now, let's move on to the next diphthong. Yes, EAR. This blue line, blue arrow. EAR. A front vowel at half open position. A unrounded vowel. 2 R, that is centralized front between half closed and half open. Yeah, please note down the description. Now, see its examples. Yes, yeah, second one. It happens initially, medially, and finally. Initially, in the words such as AEROPLANE. People used to say this one as aeroplane. Yeah, it's not yeah, aeroplane. Medially, it happens in the words such as CAREFUL. Careful, care, careful, care. It is not careful. Okay, the C is ka, ARE as air, care, careful, be careful, like that. It also happens finally in the words such as CARE. People used to say care. No, it's not care, it is care, take care, like that. Okay, please note down of your own. 15 seconds. Some more examples for initial, medial, and final. Yes. Now, seed spelling. AR. It is represented with A, AIR, AR, ARE, EAR, EIR, ERE. Note down. Now, first one. It's represented with the letter A. In the words such as VARIOU. Yes. That is various, various. Now, HILARIOUS, hilarious. MARY, Mary. With AIR, AIR, hair. CHAIR, chair. FAIR, fair. with AR. SCARCE. Scarce. R should not be pronounced. It is not scarce. People used to say that scarcity. No, it is not scarce. It is scare. ARE. CARE. Care. SHARE. Share. EAR. BEAR. Beer. WEAR. We are. EIR. THEIR. They are. HEIR. Hair. 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 ERE. THERE. They are. WHERE. Where. Okay. So on these lines you prepare some more words. The last diphthong oo. Okay, you see oo. Yeah, this one, this saffron arrow, orange arrow, oo. Oo. The gliding is from back wall, back rounded wall to the centralized front unrounded vowel. Oo to a. Oo. Read the description. Yeah. Now see the examples. Okay, in which position this happens? The diphthong oo will not happen initially. It will not happen in word initial position. It will happen in word medial and final position. Medial in the words such as during. During we say. During. No, it is during. Final. CURE. Cure we say. It is cure. Okay. Now let's see its spelling. Yes, ua. It is a MF sound. It means medial and final only. It is represented with the letters OOR, OUR, U, UA, UE, URE. Now, OOR in the words such as POOR, POOR, OUR, TOUR, TOUR, with U, GURY, jewelry, with UA, CASUAL, that is casual, UE, FUEL, fuel, URE, SURE, 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 not sure, sure. Okay. Yeah. Now this is what diphthongs are. Yeah. So by this we completed all the 44 sounds of English. Yes, 24 consonant sounds and 20 vowel sounds. Out of these 20 vowel, 8 are diphthongs, 12 are pure vowels. Okay, right. So by this we completed, right, the topic importance of phonetics in English orthography. Okay, in next video we will discuss the another topic. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.